Good morning! So it is the day of my surgery. I arrived in Turkey yesterday and had the most amazing time. Literally, from the moment of landing, the team came and collected me from the airport and took me through my entire day. So first of all, we drove to the hospital. This was to have 3 tests in total. The first test was a blood test to the arm. This checks your blood cell count, your blood type, and tells you if you are in good health. After this test was taken, I was then taken for an ECG or echocardiogram. They place wires in various points across your body and monitor your heart rate, your heartbeat, to make sure that you are strong and healthy for surgery. This was finally followed by a radiology appointment. This meant going to a scan where I placed my hands around a machine where the breasts were placed up against it and they could examine my chest for anything that's hidden. Something that happens to us in the UK is we only visit a doctor when we are sick. We do not prevent illness, we wait until we see symptoms. Because of this, you can have underlying health concerns that you didn't know about until something severe happens to you. Going through all these hospital checks is something that would have taken years on the NHS in the UK, but literally took 10 minutes in Turkey. The hospital is glorious. Walking in, the piano was playing, there was artwork hanging, there were plants and people. So beautiful, so modern, so fresh and clean. Likewise, the medical staff are exceptional. Everywhere you go, people are immaculate. Everything is to the letter, every millimetre measured, and so professional. I cannot stress how amazing healthcare is in Turkey. It's incredible. In the UK, the NHS, everybody is tired and stressed and overworked, and it's understandable why. You come to Turkey, everybody's smiling, everybody's fresh, everybody is ready for you, they know everything about you, and you are straight in and you are dealt with. Whereas in the UK, we're reading notes, we're getting lost. Oh, repeat your mother's maiden name, who are you? You simply come to Turkey, hand your passport, and they are ready and waiting, and it makes such a difference when you are a patient and everybody knows what they're doing. After having my hospital checks, we then went for the most beautiful lunch, to which they catered for vegans. Everybody in the team speaks English, which is fantastic, because when I have dietary requirements and I travel abroad, I always think, will people understand what I'm asking for, and does such food exist? I was able to have a Buddha bowl for dinner, which is just every vegan's dream, so delicious. And I met the most adorable cats. They were beautiful, reminded me of my fur babies back home. So after having dinner, feeling refreshed, having passed all of my checks at the hospital, we were then taken to a tour. You can have amazing tours of the city, of the river, of everything and anything that you like. It's so full of culture in Istanbul. You can go shopping, you can have food, you can celebrate, you can go to the beach. And even in this beautiful hotel where I am, there are saunas and spas and pools and everything you can imagine all in one place. So it's really down to what you love as an individual. So we took a yacht onto the Bosphorus River and sailed under the 3 bridges of Istanbul, and they knew everything about all of the buildings that we passed along the way. We had Turkish coffee, which was beautiful, and watched the sunset over the water. It literally melted my heart. What a fantastic way to experience Istanbul prior to having the surgery, and also I will enjoy exploring the city after I've come out of hospital. So it's the morning of my surgery. I have fasted since midnight last night, leaving a window of 8 hours minimum before I have my surgery, so that no food or liquid is in my body and it's safer for the anaesthetic. So as my mum came with me for my surgery, we're having the most lovely time, and it's her birthday in a few days. So it's a joint celebration for us. She's having her breakfast in the hotel as I make this video now. Heading to the hospital shortly, I will then go for my pre-op checks to see my surgeon and get ready for my surgery. This is again another opportunity to ask questions, even up until the final minute. If there is something you think of or something that you want to know, ask those questions. Be confident, be comfortable, and be informed throughout. The team have been incredible. In the UK, I was able to text and phone, send pictures. Nothing was too much for them. They were so patient, so kind, and so informative. and arriving here, my every request has been met. It's such an uplifting and positive experience. I can't wait to have my surgery and take you with me. So come and join me at the hospital and see what's involved. I had my surgery at 10 AM. I came out of the operating theatre at 1 PM, so 3 hours of surgery, and it's now 7 PM in the evening, coming up for 8 o'clock. I feel amazing. I'm so happy with my surgery. I was able to see my new breasts, the reduction in size. So I went from 825cc down to 600. I had my uplift and also spoke to the surgeon about the placement of my nipples, the height that I want them to be, and the fact that I want them to look natural. They are incredible. I'm so happy. I've had lots of delicious food, all vegan, all fresh and healthy and uplifting, and I can walk by myself, I can sit up by myself, I can stand by myself, and the nurses have encouraged me to walk the corridors. So there's no stopping me. Knowing that I'm now taking 6 weeks off of the gym to recover, I think I'm just going to do lots of walking for 6 weeks. So when you sit and stand, the most important thing after surgery is not putting any pressure on your chest. So do not push your hands down into things to stand up. Do not try to pick anything up, and do not extend your arms out of your body away from the elbows. So keeping everything close to you. Lifting small weights like a teacup is absolutely fine. Definitely nothing over 10 kilograms until you are safe to do so. So when I get in and out of bed, laying back, I have the controls to be able to recline myself. You don't want to stay laying down after having breast surgery. The more upright you can be, the better the circulation, the anaesthetic comes out of your system, and you feel so much better. So to remove myself from the bed, I use my abs to just sit up and twist, and standing and walking. Already I feel so comfortable, I'm not in any pain. The anaesthesia just made me a little bit sleepy, but it was really nice, really relaxing. I've had a great snooze throughout the afternoon, eaten lots of food, gone to the toilet by myself, and just feel amazing. It really does make a difference when you have a positive mindset about surgery. When you look forward to your procedure, when you are informed of everything that will happen and you know that you're in safe hands. If you're nervous, if you're unsure, ask questions and take your time. You don't need to rush anything. It doesn't have to be a scary or painful experience. You can really deal with this with mind over matter, and I'm very happy with my results and can't wait to share them with you. So I will be returning to my hotel tomorrow. It's 24 hours in hospital to be monitored by the staff, and then I'm able to see my surgeon again, and we can return to the hotel, do lots of lovely things, relax. It's on the beach, so I want to go and walk down to the waterfront and have breakfast, and of course make these videos for you. So I will see you tomorrow, and thank you for joining me. Like a sedative?
Yes.
Yeah. It's really made me feel like.
Bilmiyorum ki var mı? Tracy, good morning.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
How are you feeling?
Neydi ismi?
Tracy.
Tracy, come here. Come here. Yes. Anestezi hanım. Artık girebilir miyiz?
Anladı ama bence. Ben EKG'leri çıkarmak lazım. Ne kadar tatlı. Ne kadar pozitif bir kızcık.
Seni görmeyeceğim. Hello Tracy. How are you feeling?
Oh, really good. A lovely sleep. And breasts. I feel so sleepy. So I've just come out of surgery and I feel amazing. It is a great success. They showed me some before and after photos as a preview. I love it. 600 cc, down from 825. I'm in no pain, I feel great, and in a couple of hours I can have some water and eat again. So in really good spirits. I just saw my surgeon who said that it went perfectly well. I have no surgical drains, which is fantastic, and I will be up and walking about shortly. Oh no, it's fine.
Do you have children?
I have two.
Yes. Boy or girl?
I have both. So my
Two
daughter,
boy.
one girl is 16 and one boy is 12.
Two?
Yeah, 12.
Yeah, 16 and girl.
Do you have children?
No.
Oh. I'm so happy I don't have drains. It's lovely. That's okay. Wow.
This should be stay here.
Okay, yes. It's okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. I just put a finger there, I didn't touch. Sorry.
You're steady.
Okay, I'll go back then. Ready for the dismount?
Yes.
Are you okay?
Yeah, really good, thanks.
But we can wear your dress
Yes.
after the change.
Oh, I can get changed into normal clothes. Oh, amazing. And does the IV come out then?
They will remove.
They do that separate, yeah.
These are your profile style. Too much focus for your life.
Yes.
For good was
Keep it always.
yes.
And how long does it last? When does it expire?
In your life,
Lifetime.
yeah, in life.
Another lifetime. Oh, fantastic. Thank you very much. Thank you. So if anything ever needs to change or if it goes wrong, then I have it for a lifetime. And there's all the details on there of my surgeon and the breast implants used. Good morning. It is the morning after my surgery, less than 24 hours, and I have just been checked by my surgeon, Dr. Basat, at 8 AM. I had a really good sleep. Before I went to bed, they gave me some pain relief, even though I wasn't in pain, but just to make sure that I had a nice smooth transition through the first night. I also had a sleeping tablet, which helps you to just relax and unwind, ready for a peaceful night's sleep. I was then given 2 drips throughout the night. This was in the IV in my hand, and I've had 4 of those in total. So waking up after my first night's sleep, the nurse came in and checked on me, asked if I was comfortable, asked if the temperature in the room was okay, if she could get me anything. But again, I've not really needed anything throughout. I've been incredibly comfortable, very happy with my results, and the whole experience has been so positive and uplifting. So following this, Dr. Basat came to see me and to check over my dressings to make sure that everything is healing well, looking right, the skin colour, the swelling. He explained to me that my swelling will reduce by around 5%, and this will be my final size. He has managed the epic feat of taking me from a very round and fake breast implant to something soft and natural. And that is really what makes the difference. To still have a bust as a tall woman, to feel feminine and curvy, but not to be excessive, not to look fake. The results that he has achieved are incredible. And having my bra taken off and my dressings changed, to be able to see what they look like, literally took my breath away. I'm so happy, and it's really changed my life. It's given me that natural confidence that I think is really important, that everybody deserves. So having my dressings changed, first they pulled off the plasters over the stitches. I was then wiped with an antiseptic wipe, cleaned around the nipples, and any iodine from surgery was wiped away and removed. I then had padding added all the way around, so it's nice and soft and supportive and doesn't dig in. After this, I will have my IV removed and I will be able to get dressed. So I've had a wonderful breakfast. I've been given my medication to take with me. These are painkillers of 3 stages, a mild, a medium and a high, should I need them. If I don't, then he said I don't have to take them, as well as a laxative to help me to go to the bathroom if I need to, but I'd like to report everything is working well. And also my antibiotics, for which I take 2 per day for 5 days in total, so that's 10 antibiotics. So I will be returning to my hotel where I must wait for the rest of today, so 48 hours of surgery, to rest in my room before I can then venture out and explore beautiful Istanbul. So I will spend the time watching movies. So I have a really good book to get lost in, and also catch up with friends and family back home with lots of video calls and taking lots of lovely pictures of the beach outside the window to make everybody feel jealous in rainy England. So thank you for joining me, and I will show you the rest of the healing and aftercare recovery process that's involved. I can have a shower tomorrow from day 3 and will return to have my dressings changed and meet with my surgeon once again before I fly home. I have also been given the box for my implants, my new implants, along with a patient ID card. This tells you the exact make of the implants, which are Mentor, the size, the CC, the serial numbers on them, and is a lifetime guarantee. So should anything ever go wrong in future, side effects, complications, any problem or issue with the implants at all, they will replace them free of charge. So that is really incredible peace of mind, especially as a PIP victim who had implants collapse when I was 18 and was left high and dry nearly 2 decades later, still in court over that. So to have this guarantee is priceless to me. It's so reassuring and wonderful peace of mind. Okay, I'm all dressed and ready for my ivy to be removed so that I can go back to the hotel. So come for one final walk with me to the corridor, back and forwards, but I've been getting my daily exercise ready to head back to the hotel.
Tracy,
Lovely, thank you. Hi. Oh, thank you. Oh, I feel amazing. I just had my thing removed, all ready to go. I feel really amazing. Like, it's probably the drugs. But yeah, no pain.
Trace?
Feel wonderful. I'll press that. Yeah. Lovely. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Wait.
Okay, whenever you want, you can start there.
So it's 21 hours after my surgery. I am absolutely over the moon with my results. It doesn't even actually feel like I've had surgery. I'm still pinching myself at the thought that in such a short space of time, my life has been transformed. I've gone from having very fake and heavy, round, obvious breasts to really soft and natural. They look beautiful. I've downsized, had an uplift, and I feel like a woman reborn. I met with my surgeon this morning and he checked me over. My dressings have been changed, I've eaten, I'm clean, I'm fresh, and I'm ready to enjoy Istanbul. The whole experience has been wonderful. I could not recommend it more highly, and hopefully seeing me up and about shows you that you have nothing to worry about. You are in wonderful hands.